like your smile. And as for fame, well, it's just a game, and it only satisfies you for a while.